your demise. Hey!
Trying. Oh.
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Oh my god.
I would never fall in.
Are you with me, Lions? The choice is yours.
Those were her hands.
Calm down, Lord. They're coming.
Are you scared? You don't seem scared.
Oh.
Stop pursing your lips while you poop. Oh. It's zooming his face.
Or he's shitting in there. What? He's either falling asleep or he's shitting.
Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
He's still going!
He poops like Louis.
一定要是理想型吗？我不行吗？
like act like he.
Your demise. Hey!
Yeah, go
Trying. Oh.
Niye bağırıyorsunuz ya? Kaç kişi gider?
Somebody wants.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
You like the. Oh!
Excuse you. Some. She was a fairy.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Shut up.
Cheeseburger.
Krieger. Why are you so mad?
Отпиздить бы пару пидоров.
Jesus Christ, Lincoln, that isn't a stick.
I got him a nice fucking chew stick, and he's fucking jawing over my shit. The fuck? Eat that!
Get a stick. No, a stick.
No, you go straight on, mate. You go straight on. Doing a good job. Well done. Good boy.
You go through, mate.
Are you kidding me?
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it.
Hi! Hi!
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Look at my happy guy. Oh.
I've seen in my life.
That's what you attack, go to jail.
Just a look at that, the happy guy.
Love you. Oh, this my shit. Thank you.
Bro. Bro. No way.
Get him, puppy.
You cannot have both. You need to share. You need to share. No. No.
Oh shit.
Where is the...
You like your new toy? Cora, you're forgetting something. You have to put a ball in there, Cora.
I'm not gonna get your ball out for you. You have to work and get it. Mavi, you have to get it. That's the whole point of the treat. Why do you want me to get it?
Breeze, get the ball. Breeze, get the ball.
Can you sit down and listen?
No.
No?
No.
Oakley.
No.
Yes. Oakley, come here. Come here. Why are you the way that you are? Go get the ball. Go get the ball. You were a retriever. You're a retriever.
Tell him, say, I need you to put the cat down. Ask him nicely.
How do you feel about this project we got going on, huh? That's what I was thinking too. But, you know, what about you? Okay.
Say, I love you. Good boy.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Oh, I love you.
Poor kitty. He looks like an alien.
Keşke bizi aralayabilmeyecek. Diğer bir can iki sayılamaz, bizi hiç kim aralayamaz.
Look at this cat getting his armpit shaved. How cute.
Oh my God, my Shayla.
The vet shaved my cat's tail and I'm uncomfortable.
Come here.
If I came to visit you, would you pet me?
I don't like it.
Wipes case a bum try to touch me. Ew.
You got some right here. You got some right here.
Not overeating, I know that. Look at.
Oh, sorry.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Chester, I'm so hungry. I could eat Bella.
How much more of a circle can you be? You Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry. Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh.
Do not. Dracaris.
Oh, okay. Wow. Henry. Ow. Oh shit.
Under arrest.
Bro, look at this. Ma'am.
Hey, what's your issue? Who you talking to?
God, bro.
Hell no, man. What?
It's so sweet. Knowing that you.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
It's so sweet. Knowing that you love me. Though we don't need to say it to each other, sweet.
Oh my God, you dumbass.
Pumpkin autumn. Ow!
It's a push. It's a push. That's right. It's a speaking of push. I gotta have more skim milk. Go, come on. All right, I'll be there.
Hey, I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really, really easy to see.
Himself? Himself?
Shorty Spanish, so she like to call me Papa. True fact, everything I do, they call it Flaca.
Look at her. Look at her go.
I wouldn't call myself a cat guy. She's not a cat.
Okay, Sway, too much. Hey, too much.
Play with her, Misty. There you go.
Hello.
Lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Careful, not yet. Roger.
Where's the catnip?
Aslında hemen belli oluyor ya. Ne oldu?
Bes 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 bes.
Yaptım. Bitti.
You stay back. Hey, Courtney.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mabel, hey. It's okay, buddy.
Evladım saçma kitler var ona bakacağız. Bir şey yapmıyorum. Niye bağırıyor Durga? Kaç kişiydi?